Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Watch GS Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the step goal on this watch. Before we start, if you want to change the step goal on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Mibro Fit application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Mibro Fit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you should see a home page on it. Now tap on device icon, and here tap on activity target. And right here we have step goal, exercise duration, consumption goal, and you have also the option to turn on and off the goal completion reminder. Now we want to change the step goal, so let's tap on step goal, and here you can adjust the goal to your liking by swiping up and down on the screen, and then you can tap save. Once you save it, you can close the app. And now when you go to your watch, open the activity app, you can scroll through the app and see that these steps updated. Previously we had 5,000, now it's 8,000. Okay, and that's how you change the step goal on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.